Hello, so today what we'll be wrapping is the groin for if there's a strain to help relieve any pain that they're feeling. So what we're going to be needing is a 6-inch double compression wrap, 3-inch power flex, and then 1.5 inch white tape. So what we're going to be doing for this is pulling about 75% stretch out, and we will bisect the quad, and we will start out by placing the compression wrap about halfway in between those two areas. So it's right there. And what we'll be doing is going from medial to lateral, wrapping it around. And so I will start by doing that. Thank you for holding that. So start pulling it. And what we're going to do is wrap it around, and once we get it around here, we're going to fold this down to form a dog ear so that the compression wrap is staying in its place. And what we'll be doing is continue wrapping around the leg. I'm going to go around one more time, and after that we will be wrapping around the hips, not too high but also not too low around your patient. Continue with the tension, and then we'll go down, come back around, and then redo this 2 to 3 times to help relieve that pressure. Whilst doing this, try to refrain from getting any wrinkles because we do not want those, because we want this to look nice and neat. And after this, groin has been completely wrapped with all the different layers. The athlete will be good to go to play in whatever sport that they may need. So we're going to finish right about the middle, a little bit on the inner side. And so what we're going to be doing now is taking power flex and then rewrapping everything we just did so it all stays in place so they can play. Now if they wanted just to relieve pain but they weren't going to play in an event anytime soon, what you could do is just leave the compression wrap on there and not wrap it with power flex, so the athlete can easily take this off and on. And as you can see, we are rewrapping the same exact areas with the power flex. And so when you use power flex for this specific tape or this wrap job, what you'll want to do is use the 3-inch. I messed up. You'll want to use the 3-inch because it covers more of a wider surface, and if you use 2-inch, you'll probably end up using a lot more to try to hold this all in place. Thank you. Continuing the same pattern as you see. And then I'm starting to run out, so what I'm going to do is only going to wrap it around twice. And now you make it all the way to the front. So I'm going to wrap it around. And what I want to do is wrap it around one more time, but seeing as I'm running out, that's completely fine. So what I'm doing now is just completely finishing off the power flex and wrapping it to the front, kind of rubbing in so it sticks to itself better. And then to finish this off, you'll just take your 1.5-inch tape to kind of seal it and stick it on there so it does not come unraveling itself in the middle of play. And it keeps everything in place. And that is the groin wrapping. Thank you.